Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can split a video in Canva. So this is very useful if you have a clip that is too long and then you want to make it short, or you might also want to remove a section of the video that you don't want to show on your final project. So here's how you can do that. I have this video. This is actually a 20-second clip and I think it's too long. I just want to get the first 10 seconds of it. So here's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to open the thumbnail view. You can click on this button right here at the bottom right corner, and you'll see this mode. I don't know the name of this tool, but essentially it's going to be very helpful when working on multiple clips. So anyway, as you can see, this clip is exactly 20 seconds, and I just don't want all that section, the remaining between 10 to 20 seconds to appear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here to put the playhead around the middle, and I'm going to right click on it and click split page. So it will split the page, and now this section and this section is now separated. I can right click on the second section and I'm going to click delete page, which means now this clip is just 10 seconds long instead of 20 seconds. So that is exactly how you can split a video or a clip in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.